Hello friends, welcome to our channel Yulichka Wants It. I hope you subscribe, share and comment something like your thoughts. So when I first came to Thailand, I thought that all beautiful Thai women work only in massage parlors and brothels. Well, yeah, and like 10% work in modeling or acting. This I don't count because it's like nobody can meet them basically. So this is such a well-known stereotype that in Thailand there are only corrupt relationships, and society is a bit weird. Half of the population are trances and prostitutes, or I guess all foreigners or pharaohs believe in it. So, and as expected, I looked for evidence of this on Walking Street in all the major cities of the country, like Bangkok, Hua Hin, Pattaya, and in South. Well, yes, I admit, I went to bars admiring the semi-naked buttocks or busts of very beautiful, hot working ladies, girls, with very young girls. But just recently, I wanted to drink coffee and came across a girl, very pretty and in a very revealing suit. And she was just selling coffee. And I was in shock, and I doubted whether it was a hidden offer to go with her to invite her to own room, just as an excuse as a cup of coffee. And it turned out that the girl only by her appearance attracts passerbyers to splash some coffee in their throats. And then I was covered with the idea to look for other beautiful saleswomen on the streets of Bangkok or in other places. And my sixth sense led me to chicken breasts. Yes, it's funny sounds. And those bird breasts fried even more attractive breasts, you can say, of a young beauty. Yeah, she looks like a model, absolutely. When I gave her a fried bird, I couldn't decide what exactly I was drooling over. Have I never eaten better or loving crafted these juicy breasts? But now I know that not all Thais are corrupt girls. There are special ones with culinary abilities. And this famous Pad Thai chicken lady, really funny. She can talk to you, she speaks good English. When she is cooking, she likes to dance in her revealing clothes. And yeah, her breasts are impressive. Maybe she blended something, but it's her business, our business just to look and enjoy. So if you're ever in Pattaya, for sure come and check out these delicious and juicy chicken breasts. And you can take selfie with this beautiful lady. She's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it is a clickbait. Yes, they reveal their skin, and men from all over the world come and eat chicken, because men can eat anywhere, but they definitely will come to eat only here, and they can satisfy two senses, visual senses, even hearing senses, and yes, tongue test senses. Anyways, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.